The 4 best dry shampoo powders on the market. Let's get into it. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I just realized I haven't done a beauty video in a while. We've heard about dry shampoo that comes in aerosol cans, but what about the powders? It does less damage to our environment and overall it's more compact. During this past week, I tested out the 4 best dry shampoo powders on the market. At first when I was exploring dry shampoo powders and which ones to purchase, they really reminded me of baby powder. That's because of the consistency and the look of it. You too would think it's baby powder. These 4 dry shampoo powders that I tested out range from $12 to $28. Alright, let's get into the review. Today's the first day I'll be testing out the dry shampoo powders. I'm starting off with the Barozzi Scalp Revival. Make sure to shake up all the dry shampoo powders beforehand. In order to unlock it, you just have to twist it just like this, and then you'll see it dispensing right here. Now it says to squeeze the bottle and dispense evenly 5 inches away from the hair, focusing on the roots. So right now my hair is just in a bun, so take that out. Just so you guys know, I washed my hair on Sunday and today's Tuesday. I don't wash my hair that often, twice a week, maybe 3 times if I'm working out or sweating a lot, but I really don't since my hair is coarse, it's thick, and it's dry. Before adding the product, I'm going to brush my hair. Alright, now that my hair is detangled, I use the Kristins detangling brush. I can go in with the dry shampoo powder. So it said 5 inches away, so probably about here, and then you just squeeze it. Ooh, I see it coming out. Interesting. I think I have to shake it again because I took too long to use it. Let's try again. So interesting. It's very powdery. I don't know if you guys can see it on the camera. I don't know if you guys can see it through the camera, but it was very powdery and it left like, I don't know what you would call it. I don't know, you could just like see it in the air and above my head. But since I have dark hair, dry shampoo powder tends to be very noticeable. Even when it's not powder, you really have to massage it in your hair to really just evenly distribute it. Let's see what it looks like once I start doing that. So this is a close-up of what it looks like without me doing anything to my hair. So again, it's very obvious. It looks better. It almost makes my hair, like the roots, kind of grayish, but it feels lightweight. Like I don't feel it. It doesn't feel gritty, which is nice. Not everyone wants it to feel gritty or heavy in the hair. And this is what it looks like after. So not bad. Now, did it give me any volume? Not really. Maybe just a little bit. Does the Barozzi one have a smell to it? Maybe ever so slightly. I don't know, does it say on the package? It says it has orange peel oil, so maybe I'm smelling that. Oh, it does have fragrance. Okay, so yes. All right, so this is what my hair looks like after the dry shampoo powder. I would say it looks pretty good. You can see a little bit in the roots. I'll come a little bit closer. I don't know if you guys can tell. Just a little bit. Not too bad. I think it's manageable. I'll see how it looks throughout the day. But so far, so good. So it is the next day and my scalp looks like all of the dry shampoo kind of disappeared. This is what my hair looks like on the 3rd day. I styled my hair on Monday and I haven't really touched it since. Now this would be when I would actually wash my hair, so today's Wednesday, I'll probably wash it later tonight. Today I'm testing out the Bumble Preta Powder Dry Shampoo. Same as the last product, you want to shake it up first. Then you unscrew the cap. It has one tiny little hole, so I'm just gonna go in right at the root. So this one, it comes out pretty quickly, faster than the Barozzi one. And this one I'm doing a little bit closer to the scalp just because this one looks like it would get really messy. So if I were to try all the way up here like the other one, let's see, like I just feel like it's getting everywhere, like, you know? And this is what it looks like in my hair. It's pretty white, pretty powdery. Let me massage it in and see what it looks like. Yeah. It's very noticeable. I would say more noticeable than the other one. This one feels a little more gritty. Let's check this side. How does it look? Looks better. It's still obvious. Definitely made my hair kind of gray. Even after massaging the powder in my roots, I feel like you can still see this white cast going on. So just for you guys to know, if you have darker hair like me, just keep that in mind. Man, I can't believe this is 3-day-old hair. Like, I feel like I could keep going, but we'll see. I'm probably going to wash it tonight and then go in with the other two the next couple of days. I washed my hair yesterday and this is what it looks like. I actually crimped it, so if you guys are interested in seeing that video, I'll leave it right up here. My hair looks a little more oily than usual, and that's because I've been using some oils and some balm. For this hairstyle, that's what I like to do, kind of have more of like a wet look. Today I'm testing out Verb Gentle Cleanse and Light Volume Dry Shampoo. I just want to show you guys how oily it's been looking. So this is what my roots are looking like. As you can see, there's definitely oil buildup. All right, so I'm just going to directly put it in my roots. Oh, it's coming out. Ooh, coming out pretty quickly. Something like this, I would definitely apply it close to the roots because it will literally get everywhere. I'm just going to put a tiny bit more and then I'm going to massage it in. Again, you don't need that much. So it feels really lightweight in the hair. Doesn't feel gritty. You guys can probably already tell from this distance, but you see this white cast. Now this might not happen if you have lighter hair, but it's really obvious. See if I can try to massage it even more. So not too bad. You can still slightly see a white cast. It did seem to really absorb some of the oil in my hair, and it didn't feel gritty at all. So if you don't like that gritty feeling, I think you might enjoy this one. And this is my hair for today. The final one I'm testing out is the Kristins No Fragrance Dry Shampoo Powder. I've actually tested this out before. I tried out her whole entire fragrance-free collection. I'll leave it right up here if you guys are interested. So this is what my hair looks like. It's 3-day-old hair and it's pretty oily. I haven't even brushed it because when you do a crimped hairstyle, you really can't brush it or it's gonna get like super poofy, even though it already is. But this is what it looks like, and honestly, not too bad. I love how this one's compact and slim, so you can easily put it in your purse or your gym bag. So shake it up. This one is very different from the others since there's no fragrance, and also you have to push down to release the product. Everything else, it was kind of like a little hole or some sort of like nozzle. I think this will really help get the product where you want it to go. I'm really liking this, especially since I've already used this before, because it goes exactly where I want it to go. Now it does come out white, just like the others. Some more on this side. Since this is 3rd-day hair, my hair is really oily. This is what it looks like. And now I'm gonna massage everything in. It feels very lightweight. I think it's the most lightweight out of all of them. Wow, and it really just blended in really nicely. Like, I honestly don't see any white cast or anything. Yeah, ever so slightly. So I would say so far pretty good, but it really didn't give me any volume at all. I think some of the other ones give me a little more volume. All right, so this is what my hair looks like for today. I think it looks pretty good for 3-day-old hair. I am gonna wash it tonight, but I'm really satisfied. So in order from best to worst, I would say Bumble and Bumble Preta Powder was the best out of all of them. It gave my hair the most volume out of all the powders, even though I feel like your traditional dry shampoo will give you more volume than any of these powders. So just keep that in mind. And also the application didn't get that messy. The second best is a tie between the Barozzi and the Kristins one. And for the most part, I was able to get rid of the white overcast for both of them, but Kristins might just be a hair better because of the packaging. It's more compact, so you can easily fit it in a purse or a gym bag. And also I like the dispenser better, so you can really get the product into your roots. And you also have a better idea of how much product you're putting into your hair. And lastly, the worst is Verb, and unfortunately it was just so messy. You guys saw it was like getting all over my forehead, and it was very white, and it left a very obvious white cast. If you have dark hair like me, it was very challenging to massage it and blend it. If you guys are interested in any of these dry shampoo powders, I made sure to link them below. I hope you guys enjoyed this review. I want to know, what is your favorite dry shampoo powder? Let me know in the comments below. If you guys want to see more beauty content from me, make sure to like this video and subscribe to this channel. And if you haven't already, don't forget to push that notification bell so you know every single time I post a new video. Until then, I'll see you in another video. Bye!